Hi guys, in this one I'm going to show you how to use Electro Dragons at Town Hall level 11. Now, this is not going to use lightning spells as Electro Dragons need speed, and if they are attacked too much by defenses that do exponential damage, you will lose all of them very quickly. So we want to use Rage and Freeze instead. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the army. So for Electro Dragons, you want your Queen, your Minion Prince, your Warden, 3 healers, 6 Electro Dragons, 7 balloons, 1 minion, 1 archer, 4 rage spells, 3 freeze, in your Cling Castle, 2 freeze, the Stone Slammer, another Electro Dragon, and a balloon. Alright, so the most important thing about this one is how you set it up in the beginning. So let's go ahead and look at an example. So the first thing that's very important is you want the enemy queen to go down early if you can. To determine if you can do this, look at the sweepers. Are the sweepers pointing in a direction that's going to hinder us? In this case it's no, so we can attack from this angle to get the enemy queen. The other thing to think about is we want to use a queen walk to push the Electro Dragons inside. We don't want the Electro Dragons coming too far out to this side. And then the next thing we want to do is get as many air defenses out with a giant arrow as we can. So we're going to giant arrow all the way to this side from right here. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is place the Electro Dragon to funnel. You want to funnel this side so the Electro Dragons don't stay on this outside path. Next, place the queen, get the giant arrow, then the 3 healers behind, and then use the Stone Slammer to support her. Now the Stone Slammer is going to be really good here because we can't use it with the Electros because the Electros have the chaining, which means the Stone Slammer will always fall behind. This way the Stone Slammer can get some value. Next, you want to place your Electros, and then you want to place your balloons, and then the Electro Dragons. This is so the balloons can look for seeking air mines before the Electro Dragons come. Then what you want to do is, as your Electro Dragons are getting inside the base, place the rages side by side so the Electro Dragons all get boosted, because what this does is it boosts their initial attack and their lightning chaining. So it could actually take out a lot of buildings very quickly. So that's why you want them all raged up. And you want to rage them up like this twice. Make sure you get them all like this. This gets them set up, and it gets them set up to do a lot of damage. If you can, use your Warden ability sooner rather than later to just to keep them protected, because you don't have that many. After this, use your free spells on any defense left that they're getting close to that's a threat, like an air defense, or even an expo, or single Inferno Tower, or a sweeper if it's left up at this point. After that, you should be good on the base. Now this strategy is going to be better on bases that are compact where the lightning can chain. If every building is at least 2 tiles apart, this is going to make this strategy not good for that base, because the lightning chaining, where you get boosted with a rage, isn't going to chain. So you would just get initial blast, and in that case you should be just using dragons instead. However, if you have a base where every building is connected and you can chain pretty well, especially if it's super compact, then this strategy is definitely going to be much better than any regular dragon strategy that you can use for it. Alright, that'll be it for this one.